Hey everybody, it's Fabricated, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a beautiful wire flower. And if you want, you can make multiple, you can go crazy however many you want. I made these for a decoration for a party, and then I put them into a vase for a Mother's Day present. And they're absolutely beautiful. Everybody loves them. I love them. I want to keep them, but I can't. But let's get started to how to make them. The materials that we're going to be using for the project will include 22 gauge wire. I'm going to be using silver, but any color is fine. Gorilla wood glue. It's best to also have a container that's deep enough and wide enough for the flower dipping. Scissors and or wire cutters. I prefer these because they've got a flat edge to not have the sharp edges on the wires, and a nice clean cut. And then also nail polish. Any color's fine. Any brand's fine. I just went to Walmart, Walgreens, got the cheapest ones I can find. Really nice colors too. They don't stand up, apparently. And floral foam. You're gonna need this to hold your flowers up while they dry. So let's get started. Take out a long piece of wire that's still connected to the spool. First, you want to grab something round, like a marker or a nail polish bottle, and wrap the wire around it to make a circle and twist 2 to 3 times. After having taken it out, you want to make sure that there's a long piece of wire that's still connected, about 1 inch long. Then you want to go around and keep just making circles with the long piece of wire until you get around 4 to 8 circles at max. Once you've got your circles, take out as much wire as you desire for your stem. Take that extra bit of wire and wrap it to the stem so that the circles are connected. If the edge comes out too sharp, just use the wire cutter to smoothen out the edge. Now use your marker to stretch and roll the petals. This helps create a more realistic petal-y effect. I'm just kidding, it just makes it cute. Now the next step is to dip this into wood glue. Just dip it into the wood glue and slowly take it out. I recommend doing it from the side like this and let the wood glue pour out a little bit more. And then you put it into the floral foam. So now that the first layer has dried, I'm going to paint on a second layer with a brush as evenly as possible. So now it's time to paint it after it's dried on its second coat. And I'm going to be using yellow just because it's a nice popping color. So I'm back and I'm just painting the second layer on the petals so that they're opaque. And so it kind of covers some of the dimples left by the nail polish. Well, now that I finished the flower, it's time to put it into the bouquet. And really, this DIY is really flexible. You can make any color, any shape flower. Like this one over here has 4 petals. It's pointy. There's some 8-petal ones. And then there's a whole range. I tried to do water marble for this one. It didn't end up nice, but you know, it still looks cute, right? Well, thank you for watching, and I'll see you later. Thank you. Bye.